Right, okay. So one person already asked me, even though I said why you were doing it yesterday, why are you doing an activity like that? Okay, so first of all, I'm giving you responsibility to speak English when you're doing that activity. If you speak in your own language, you're denigrating the chances of you learning any English while you're doing the activity. So you must use English. You will find limitations. Okay, when you're doing that activity, there will be some English you do not know. Okay, that's the kind of English. That's the kind of English that you need to learn when you're practicing. Okay, just one second. Okay, everyone. So we'll go back over there for a second. Oh, what a distraction. Okay, now yesterday. Okay, yesterday I gave you, or was it the day before? I gave you a phrasal verb, this one. Okay? What's that mean? What's that mean?
Exhausted.
No. That's worn out. And that comes from the phrasal verb wear out. Everyone, can you look at the board? Focus for 1 second. Everyone, look at the board for 1 second. If I said this, I tried to worm out of the job. Okay, now don't worry about the editing just for a second. What's that mean? Now I gave you this. Real? What's that mean? Again? Yeah, okay, try to avoid doing the work, etc. If you take that out, what does that word mean? Again? Exclude. Okay, so to worm out, so to exclude, to leave the job, etc. Okay, now if I said this, no, this, everyone pay attention, don't worry about Molly. I'm worn out. What does that mean? What's that mean? Now this is slang also.
No.
Yes. Okay. Tired. Now why is that word used in this context? Why do you use out in the context of tired?
Because it's something
Where is
that
the word?
squeeze you.
Again?
Because you don't have energy.
You don't have energy, etc. Okay? Now how are you going to remember phrasal verbs without? Or any phrasal verbs in general? Okay, so I said this before. When you're learning phrasal verbs, focus a lot on the idiomatic expression here. Okay, the idiomatic meaning of the particle. So if I said to you, up, what does up mean?
Appear or something.
Okay, yes, okay. So for some people in this class, you've never seen the meaning of up. Can you see the hand?
No. Yet.
You can't see the hand. Now can you see the hand?
Yeah. I love
Okay,
it.
you can see the hand, okay, etc. What direction is the hand going?
Appear.
Up. So the word up sometimes means appear. Can you give me an example of a phrasal verb that uses up and means appear?
Make up.
Wake up.
Appear.
No.
What you read?
Appear. What do you do when you go to a party? You
Show up.
show up. You show up. The
Dress
up
up.
means appear.
Dress up.
Again?
Dress up.
Dress up. Okay, so some of you are still having a problem with this. Okay, everyone pay attention. Look at me for a minute. Okay, look at me for a minute. Me, I'm here. I'm a narcissist. Manuel, here I am. Okay? Now, here I am. Okay, so the word up in the context of show up means appear. Now, if you dress up or you put on makeup, what does up mean in that case?
Something that you put in.
Increase.
Increase what?
Your brain.
Improve. Improve. Okay, so this here, everyone, watch, Andrea. This direction is good or bad?
Good.
Why?
Because it's up.
So
It's
So
not
why
down.
is that necessarily good?
Because it's something that
Okay, well in our cultures we do regard this as good. So that's why makeup, when you put makeup on, you're improving your look. When you dress up, you're improving your dress. What's another meaning of up? What's another meaning of up?
Oh,
No. Another meaning of up is
Appear.
what? Increase. Increase. Okay, so could you give me an example where up means increase?
yeah.
In the economy.
Yeah.
What am I going to do if I
Turn
increase
up.
the volume?
Turn
Turn up. So can you see Molly?
Yes.
Can you see Molly?
No.
Now can you see Molly?
Yes.
What direction did she go?
Up.
So she showed up at the party. The word up has lots of idiomatic metaphorical meanings. When you're trying to learn phrasal verbs, focus on that. And also, I want you to do the same kind of strategy when you're learning idiomatic expressions. Create images in your head. Oh dear. Okay, right, take a break and then you finish your editing and you will send me those videos. Okay, quickly.